Hi guys, I hope all you are doing great. So welcome to our YouTube channel. So I got many questions from our visitors, from our website visitors, from our YouTube visitors, and they told me that what is Advantage Plus Plus campaign. So today we learn how to use an Advantage Plus Plus campaign with catalog sales ad. So what is Advantage Plus Plus campaign? It is a new campaign type which provide to us by Facebook ads so that we can run ads with the help of Facebook ad algorithm. In these ads, we can't segregate the audience with the help of age group, gender, or detailed targeting. Those options will not available in Advantage Plus Plus campaign. So let me show you how to create a Advantage Plus Plus campaign with catalog sale ad in the FB ads dashboard. As you know, today our topic is how to create an Advantage Plus Plus campaign for catalog sales ads. As you already know, catalog sales ads are used to run e-commerce ads in FB or Instagram. So let me show you how to do it. So for running a catalog sale ad, first of all we need to create a catalog. If you have an Shopify website, so you just need to install this app, Facebook and Instagram, and in the settings section you can easily connect your FB account with the Shopify backend. Once you will successfully connected your FB account with the Shopify backend, you can see the catalog will automatically created here in the overview section, as Shopify will automatically send all the product data to the FB ads account. So as you can see, our Shopify product catalog is already created. So now we are ready to run a catalog sales ad with the help of Advantage Plus Plus campaign. So for doing that, we need to go to the dashboard, and as you know, we are on the dashboard now. And first of all, we need to check whether our catalog is doing good or not. So for doing that, you need to go to the all tools, and then you need to go to the commerce manager section. As you can see, we have a lot of option here, and you need to go to the commerce manager. Once you will go to it will take some time. Yeah, it will take some time. And here you can see, now we are on the commerce manager section, and our catalog is already created because we have connected the Shopify backend with the FB ads account. So FB ads account or Facebook account, you can say anything of that. So our catalog is already created. We'll click on it. As you can see, here is the catalog. 10232 is the number, is the last number of our catalog. If you need to check it. Now we are on our catalog page. As you can see, our 17 items are synchronized, 16 are approved, and 1 is rejected. We will resolve that issue as soon as possible. And in the item section, you can see whether our product is are active or not. So once we'll check that, after that we need to go to the FBA manager. Let me show you our products are doing good or not. As you can see, they are all in the active state, and it means our catalog is successfully created and all products are approved. Now we will proceed with the Advantage Plus Plus catalog sale campaign. Okay, so for creating the same, now we need to go to the FB ads manager section, and here is the dashboard. Now there is simple steps which you need to follow to create a Advantage Plus Plus campaign, because it's a automated campaign. So we don't need to do many things in it, because we are not able to target audiences, because it is an automated campaign, and Facebook will see which kind of audience they will able to target, and they will target the same directly in the campaign. So first of all, we need to click on the create button, and as you can see, we need to sell our product online. So I will check this out, sales, and we'll go to the continue button. I'll click on the continue button. Once and click on it, we have two options here: manual sales campaign or Advantage Plus Plus. So as you know, we are today we are doing the Advantage Plus Plus shopping campaign. So I will click on the continue button, and once I will successfully click on it, as you can see, and now we are on the campaign level, and as you can see we have options here. First of all, you need to choose the website option because we have already implemented the pixel. We need to choose which pixel we have added in the backend, and as you can see it's PPR pixel. And we need to choose the purchase event because we need to know how much purchase we are getting from this campaign. So I will use purchase event as a main conversion action. And after that we need to, because there is two level here. First one in which we will only choose the location, as I need to choose the location United States, so I will choose it United States. Okay, so we can only choose two options. One is the pixel one, like which event we need to track, and the another one is location. So we can't choose another other options, like if you say we need to choose a particular audience, we can't use the same in Advantage Plus Plus because Advantage Plus Plus campaign doesn't give us that option. So after that we'll also able to target our budget, what kind of budget we need to use. Now we add level, and as you can see, first of all we need to choose the catalog option, as I already choose the catalog option, because with the help of that our products will be fetched out from the catalog and visible in the ads. Okay, so I will choose the catalog option. I will choose the carousel one because I want to show multiple product in the same feed. So I will choose the carousel option and the catalog one, and after that I will choose Shopify product catalog. If you have different catalogs, if you have different catalogs for different websites, so that means you need to double check the number, the catalog number. As you can see, my catalog last number is 1032, so it is the same number which we have in the commerce manager section, so I have double checked the same. So once you will create the catalog, please double check if you are using that one or different one here. So it is for to double check if you are using same catalog here or not, as I am using the same catalog, so my product is visible here correctly. And after that you just need to add the product name as an headline. You can easily go to the ad section, and here you can choose product name. So it will automatically fetch the website heading as a name in the product categories. So it will automatically fetch all the data and showcase in the ad. So with the help of this we will able to uh, show our products in the Facebook ads. And after that you can add a primary text, and you can also choose multiple other options as well, and it's up to you what kind of call to action you will use. I'm using right now shop now. You can also use order now as well. So there are multi option here, and you can choose any of them. And after that you just need to click on the publish button, and once you click on it, once you click on, you can see our campaign is published successfully, and now we are able to see the purchase in the result section. And what kind of result we got from the Advantage Plus Plus campaign, we'll see it here. And nowadays people are mostly using the Advantage Plus Plus campaign because they'll give us good results. So I will recommend you, if you are running an campaign for an e-commerce store, online e-commerce store, so I will recommend you please run a Advantage Plus Plus campaign for the same, so that you will also get results from the same. So thank you so much for watching my video.